Welcome guys, and in this tutorial we will make this fancy looking text using the Twirl text effect in Adobe Illustrator. Let's do this. Alright, welcome back guys, and let's start working with the Twirl text effect that we want to develop. So I have this light blue background, and on top of that is the text in the Berlin Sans FB bold font at 305 point width. So I've center lined and pushed it to the top, and I'm gonna make 3 more copies of it. I'm gonna hold Alt, Shift and drag down, and then select both and hold Alt Shift, click and drag it down. Select all the 4 and make sure they're center aligned and they are distributed properly. All right, so before we can do anything on how to twirl this text, we need to convert it to outline. So that's the first thing that you have to keep in mind. Now, I'll quickly do it for all 4. Of course, you could have done it right off the first one. So there we go. All the text has been converted into outline. Now all I have to do is go here on the left hand side, and where you see the width tool, click on this small arrow, and there you have it, the Twirl tool. You can select it and start working on it. If you want to make changes, double click on the icon, and this opens the Twirl tool options toolbar, and you have all the options here. The size of the brush can be adjusted, the width, the height. In fact, you can put it to an angle and change the intensity, and this also shows the twirl rate. The more you have the intensity in the twirl rate options value, the higher and faster would be the amount of twirl applied to it. So I'm going to keep it this way at the moment, the way it is. Let's see what happens when we start trying to twirl the text that we want to. Right, so we're going to try it in small values. Don't click on the mouse or don't hold the mouse button for too long, because it's gonna go quickly. So this is what you can expect to happen when you try and see these tools and options. All right, so in this way you can continue downwards now. So you can create such more options for yourself, and with this you can make a lot of stylized kind of effect, twirl it at different rate at different places, make it look awesome. And that's how you can take a simple text, convert it into outline, and make it twirl just the way you want. And with that, we have simply achieved what we wanted to do, which was to twirl text. If you want to do more, it's up to you. You can continue refining, making, ensuring that's done nicely and beautifully. And now you can press Selection tool V and select all of them except the background, and you can group them together. And now you can push it out to match it with the size of the artboard, or you can kind of keep it in if you want to. And with that, this is how you can make adjustments and bring the kind of an artwork that would look beautiful to you. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. Have fun, and I'll see you again very soon.